Hi everyone, my name is Sonia Luthra, and as you already know me, I'm one of the top educators for IELTS on an academy platform. And today's session is another part in the series of the complex sentences that I was teaching you. So today I think it's the fourth part wherein we are going to learn some more complex sentences. Let me quickly just give you a recap that what we have done in the previous classes. So in the previous session, in the very first part, we did learn about the relative clauses, that how to use relative clauses, which is who, which, and that, to give the complex sentences. In the part 2, we did talk about the conjunctions. I did talk about the coordinate conjunction, which is fanboys, right? In the part 3, I did talk about the subordinate conjunctions, which is a white bus. Okay, in today's session, which is the part 4th, I am gonna talk about gerunds, and I'm also gonna talk about the conditional sentences. Okay, and we'll be also discussing all the 4 types of conditional sentences, and apart from that, instead of using if, what else we can use if we want to give a condition. So in today's class we are going to learn that. Okay, so let's quickly start with the today's session. But if you are somebody who's new to the channel, and if you're watching my video for the very first time, I would like to tell you that my name is Sonia Luthra, as you already know, and I'm one of the top educators on an academy platform for IELTS. I have been teaching IELTS and PT for pretty long now, and I have taken this exam many other times, and every single time that I have taken exam, I have got perfect 9 score in the reading module. Okay, and my overall score is 8.5 in GT as well as in academic. If you want to get in touch with me after this particular session, here is my Telegram channel as well as the group's name. This is the channel as well as the group. Okay, and the group and the channel would something look like this. It will have this green color logo under it. This is the channel. Under the channel, you people would not be able to have a two-way conversation, but I do have a group also which has the same name, and you can have a two-way conversation in the group. This particular group had all the IELTS material updated, and you can definitely go ahead and download and check out this Telegram group for that. If you also don't know what an academy is, let me quickly go ahead and tell you what an academy is. So an academy is one of the largest online learning platform in India, and it helps you prepare for various competitive exams like IIT-JEE, NEET, IELTS, right? So if you are somebody who is looking forward to prepare UPS for UPSC or any other competitive exam, an academy, so learning app is one-stop shop for you for all your preparation problems, right? For IELTS also, this particular app is the best app wherein you can go ahead and start your preparation. So an academy provides you 2 different type of classes. One is the paid one, and another one is unpaid. Okay, so to join paid as well as unpaid classes, there are few steps that are mandated that you will have to do one time. So if you haven't downloaded the learning app, or if you are not registered on Unacademy yet, you will have to download the Unacademy learning app either through iOS or Android Play Store, or you can directly log into the website. Once you log in, it will ask you for some basic details of yours, like your name, mobile number, email address, and where exactly you are located, like the city or the state. Once you fill in all the information, you will get an OTP to enter. Put the OTP and you are now registered to Unacademy's platform. Next time whenever you will have to log in, you will either have to use your email or your phone number, and you will get an OTP to put in so that you can log in. So this is a very simple procedure to do, and putting in all the information was only the one time procedure. Now after that, if you are preparing for IELTS, there will be an option to select your goal, that which particular exam you are targeting. So you will select your goal respectively. If you are preparing for IELTS, please select your goal as IELTS, and then you will be able to see all the upcoming free as well as paid courses. You can also find my profile there with my name, which is Sonia Luthra. You can go ahead and follow the profile, and under my profile you will see a section which will say the special classes. Okay, special classes are the classes which are absolutely free of cost, but you will have to unlock these classes to use by using a referral code. Now what that referral code that you will be using? So Sonia10 is the referral code that you will be using to unlock the free classes. So this was all about the free classes. Let me quickly go ahead and tell you about the paid classes as well. Okay. So from 1st July 2021, there will be a new course that is starting, which is expert batch for IELTS, and I personally will be taking care of reading module, and Shama ma'am will be taking care of writing, Greety ma'am will take care of listening, Kamaljeet ma'am will take care of speaking, and Sonam Sandhu ma'am will help you with the grammar in this particular course. Okay, and my classes are starting from 1st July, and the timing would be 8:15 to 9:15 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. This will be a 1 hour class every single day, Monday to Saturday, and this is going to be an extensive reading course wherein you people are going to learn the new strategies to solve your, as I told you that I got myself 9 band every single time I have taken the IELTS exam. So I will be sharing the same tips and strategies that I myself have used while I took my exam, so that you people can also get a good band score in the reading module. Okay. But this is a paid course, so to get a paid course you will have to buy the subscription. But before you buy the subscription, let me quickly go ahead and tell you the benefits that you will get under the subscription. The very first thing that you should know about buying the subscription is it's reasonable, right? The prices of the subscription is pretty reasonable. Like for a month it is only 2,700, and for a 2 months course it is only 5,000. But like you can also avail a 10% discount on the same on the price that I've just told you by using the referral code Sonia10. If you use this particular code, you will get a 10% discount on this particular price. So the price comes out to be 4,320 for a month and 4,500 for 2 months course, right? Which is pretty reasonable. If you go to a local institute of yours or maybe any other online platform, the fees is from 6 to 10k at least, right? The first thing is that it is very reasonable. The second benefit of joining Unacademy is that you can not only and only join my classes, but there are other top educators for the IELTS preparation also, like Sonam ma'am, Shreya sir, Gurpreet sir, Shivangi ma'am, Garima ma'am, Greety ma'am, Kavaljeet, Nikhil sir, right? So all the trainers are there. If you think that you want to attend my reading class and if you would like to attend somebody else's writing class, you can definitely go ahead and attend that. Even if you have used my code, you can definitely go ahead and join other trainers classes as well. So that is the second benefit. All the top educators are present under one roof for you. You really don't have to go here and there and search for the content. Every single content and everything will be provided by us to you. Okay. Thirdly, see, all the classes are recorded. Even if you missed any one of the classes, you can definitely go ahead and join, like watch the recorded session so that you do not miss out on anything. Apart from that, every single month 20 plus courses are launched. Okay, so every Wednesday a new batch course is launched. There will be separate classes for general and academic training, so all like syllabus for general as well as academic training will be covered. There will be mock test and live speaking sessions as well as writing test assessments. Okay, so there will also be some dedicated doubt solving classes also. So these are some benefits that you would definitely get if you go ahead and buy the Unacademy's subscription. To get a 10% off, as I've already told you, this is my Sonia10 is my code that you would like to use if you want to get a 10% discount on the prices which are here. Okay, so after discount you will get it for, right, which is a pretty reasonable price for you. So that is all about the Unacademy's platform. If you still have any doubt and if you still would like to know what Unacademy platform is and how does it work, this is my Telegram channel. You can definitely go ahead and get in touch with me. आप मुझसे डायरेक्टली पूछ सकते हो, यहाँ पे मुझसे बात कर सकते हो, आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी भी डिस्कस कर सकते हो मुझसे यहाँ पे. Right now, let's quickly start with today's topic, which is the complex sentences. As I told you in the previous session also, we did talk about few of the complex sentences, and I have already told you that why do you need to learn complex sentences and variety of it. Just to give you a quick recap, we do have a parameter called as GRA, which is grammatical range and accuracy, under the writing as well as the speaking section. So to get 7+ bands under the GRA parameter, you will have to give a variety of complex sentences to your examiner. Unless you do so, you won't be able to get 7+ bands. You will be stuck at 6 band in GRA, right? So this is the reason why do you need to learn different complex sentences. Look at this band descriptor. This is a snapshot of the band descriptor which is readily available on internet. If you want to look at it, just search for task 2 band descriptors or search for the speaking band descriptor. Under that you will find out the GRA column, and this is for the 6 band. This is for the 6 band, this is for 7 band, this is for 8 band, and this is for the 9 band. If we look at the difference between them, just let's quickly look at the difference. 6 band says a mix of simple and complex sentences. 7 band says a variety of complex sentences. 8 band says a wide range of structure. 9 says a wide range with full flexibility. So in my previous session also, in previous session also, I discussed about what is the difference between using a wide range and a wide range with full flexibility, right? So in the previous session I did talk about a white bus, right? In a white bus, I did tell you that while we use a white bus, which means subordinate conjunction to connect two sentences and to make it a complex sentence, there are two variety under it. One is with comma and without comma. So if in your essay you write both the type of sentences, that one is without comma and one with comma, then you are showing your examiner that you know the subordinate conjunctions but with full flexibility. You know it with comma as well as without comma, right? So this is what a flexibility and full flexibility is called as. So even if you are aiming for 7+ bands, you will have to give the variety. Even if you don't give the full flexibility, but you still have to give the variety to your examiner, right? So in the previous session, we did talk about the relative clause. We did talk about the coordinate conjunctions, which is fanboys, and we did talk about the a white bus, which is the coordinate conjunctions. In today's session, I am gonna talk about gerunds. Yes, gerund. So most of you have already aware of the fact that what is a gerund, right? Or sometimes we do call it as a present participle. So gerund generally is verb plus ing. When we convert a verb into noun by adding ing to it, then it is called as a gerund. When a verb with ing perform like a noun, then the verb is called as a gerund or present participle. Okay, so it clearly says that gerunds and participles, ing forms of words, but don't confuse with the present continuous, are very useful in formal writing. Why we are doing it? Because we like when it comes to our task 2 and the writing module, it has to be formal, right? So to avoid the repetition as well as to give a academic style to our writing, we by academic style I mean the formal style of writing, we will have to use gerunds to connect the sentences. Okay, so let's look at the first example. The first example is, people who smoke cause a lot of litter. Cigarette butts are the biggest cause of litter in the world. If I wanted, I could have connected these two सेंटेंसेज यूजिंग एंड, जो कि हमारा फिर एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बन जाता, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मैंने क्या यूज़ किया है, फैन बॉयज़, जो मैंने आपको प्रीवियस सेशन में सिखाया है. अगर आपने वो प्रीवियस सेशन नहीं देखा, प्लीज़ गो अहेड एंड वॉच दैट, राइट. सो ये आपका फैन बॉय बन जाता, कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट बन जाता. बट वी आर इन हैबिट ऑफ राइट यूजिंग कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेज वेरी ऑफन. सो अभी मुझे कंपाउंड सेंटेंस नहीं देना है, क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी एग्जामिनर को वो दे चुकी हूँ. आई विल हैव टू गिव अ वेराइटी, राइट. सो दैट इज वाई इंस्टेड ऑफ कनेक्टिंग दीज टू सेंटेंसेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंड, मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ यहाँ पे, आई विल बी यूजिंग जेरेंट्स. तो अब देखो मैंने नीचे सेंटेंस कैसे लिखा, स्मोकिंग आईएनजी लगा दिया, स्मोक वॉज माई वर्ब, इसमें मैंने आईएनजी लगाया. स्मोकिंग कॉजेज अ लॉट ऑफ लिटर विद सिगरेट बट्स बीइंग द मेन कॉज. ठीक है, सो मैंने आईएनजी वाले वर्ड्स को 2 बार यूज किया है, विच आर जेरेंट्स, एंड जेरेंट को मैंने एज अ कनेक्टर भी यूज किया है. ठीक है, सो स्मोकिंग कॉजेज अ लॉट ऑफ लिटर with cigarette butts being the main cause. So this is the way you people can use gerund to connect the two sentences. There is another example. इस तरीके के एग्जाम्पल को तो आप बहुत इजीली यूज कर सकते हो. इसको जनरली मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, रिजल्टिंग वाला सेंटेंस. तो आपके एसे में कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये चांस मिलता है जहाँ पे आप क्या करते हो, अपने सेंटेंस में किसी चीज़ के कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज या रिजल्ट बता रहे होते हो कि अगर ऐसा हो जाएगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, है ना. बहुत सारे ऐसे सेंटेंसेस मिलते हैं जहाँ पे हमें रिजल्ट इमिडिएटली उस सेंटेंस में बताना पड़ता है. तो यहाँ पे देखिए, इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द रिलेटिव क्लॉज, ये आपके 2 सेंटेंसेस थे. ट्रैफिक कॉजेज टू मच पॉल्यूशन इन आवर सिटीज. अ रिजल्ट ऑफ पॉल्यूशन इज एन इंक्रीज इन केसेज ऑफ अस्थमा अमंग चिल्ड्रन. ठीक है, traffic causes too much pollution in our cities. A result of pollution is an increase in cases of asthma among children. अब इन दोनों को मैंने which results in की जगह यहाँ पे relative clause को ना यूज करते हुए मैं यहाँ पे which results in की जगह क्या लिखूंगी, resulting in. So ये एक तरीके से मेरे एग्जामिनर को एक वेराइटी दे रहा है. ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगी, traffic causes too much pollution in cities resulting in an increase in cases of childhood asthma. ठीक है, तो this is the way you people can definitely go ahead and give a variety of complex sentence to your examiner. ठीक है, तो ये जो एक वेराइटी थी आप ये भी अपने एग्जामिनर को दे सकते थे. सो आज की क्लास में बस इतना ही. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है, you know where to get in touch with me, and I'll see you very soon in my upcoming part 5th of the complex sentences, wherein I will be gonna tell you about the conditional sentences. Okay, till then please guys take care and be safe. Bye bye. And also do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and please press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any new video. Bye bye and take care. Be safe.